Welcome to another video installation guide provided by Advanced Sport Touring. Today we're going to be doing the installation for the standalone passenger backrest kit. This will work on Kawasaki Concours 14 models 2008 through current. Included in this kit is the large steel bent bracket, the flat steel bracket that goes underneath your stock luggage rack, your passenger backrest with the bracket attached, and then the necessary hardware to complete the kit. You're going to need just a couple very basic tools that you can get at any home goods store. You're going to need a 4mm and a 5mm hex. They come in a couple different shapes. You can get the L-shaped, which are pretty economical in price, or you can get the T-handles, which is a nice investment because you will use them again. The first thing we're going to do for the installation is to attach the flat bracket to the L bracket. And you can see there's two holes here. You have several different holes here. These will determine the orientation of the backrest as far as how far forward or how far back it'll be for your passenger. You can choose that depth just like this by choosing two holes that correspond to two holes on the bracket. You're going to go ahead and put two of the smaller bolts into the holes. And then you're going to take your 4mm hex and you're going to tighten those down. And now we can go ahead and put parts on the bike. As you can see, this is the luggage rack on the back of the bike. You're going to want to go ahead and get your 5mm hex, and we're going to be taking out these 4 bolts. And then just go ahead and lift up on your luggage rack, and that'll pull out the bolts and the spacers that are going through the stock luggage rack. Go ahead and take the bolts out. You're not going to reuse those. Set them aside. Get the assembly that you just put together and place it over the holes. Take the luggage rack with the spacers still in them and put those into the holes. You'll have to move it around a bit to get everything in position. Take the bolts that were included in the kit, put those into the holes. Get your 5mm hex and get all of them started. And then you can go ahead and snug them down. At this time you have 2 bolts left, the 2 8mm bolts. You're going to be choosing the position to put your backrest pad on. And just like on the bottom plate, the 2 holes in the top of the bracket correspond with the holes that are on the back of your backrest pad. So we're going to go ahead and choose this position here. Take your 8mm bolts, Get your 4mm hex. Whoops. Okay. Sometimes it's helpful to just put it on the end of your hex. Now you can snug it down. And that concludes the installation of the standalone passenger backrest for the Kawasaki Concours 14. Please take a look at many of our other videos. We have one for just about every product we carry.